Good morning, welcome to my channel. It is currently like 8:20 in the morning. I have to be at the gym at 8:30. I have like 10 minutes, but I just want to say good morning. Starting off my morning with a workout. I also have some pre-workout that I'm about to take. I'm super excited about it. I feel like I need it. I'm like a little tired and I just need that extra, boost for the gym. So I'm about to take that, and it's actually strawberry lemonade flavor and it's so good. I'll talk a little bit more about Gainful and some of the other products that I got for them in the video, but stay tuned for that. Let's go to the gym. Thank you to Gainful for sponsoring today's video. Gainful is a personalized sports nutrition subscription that has protein powders, pre-workout, and more. You just go on their website and you take a quiz so that they can tailor your personalized blend based on your diet, your body composition, and your lifestyle. I love that all of their products are made with simple and clean ingredients. Everything is non-GMO. They don't contain any fillers or artificial ingredients, which is super, super important. Here are my personalized picks. I have this protein powder, which is 25 grams of protein, which is amazing, and it has less than a gram of carbs. I could ask for nothing more. I have these two flavor boosters, one in chocolate peanut butter and the other one is in cookies and cream. They're really good and they really help enhance the flavor of your protein powder. Next, I have these hydration packs. These are amazing in keeping you hydrated and helping you recover after workouts. And you could even drink them during your workout or before your workout. They definitely will keep you hydrated. Next is the pre-workout. I was the most excited about this because I've been wanting to try pre-workout for a while now. This pre-workout definitely keeps me energized throughout my whole workout. I could ask for nothing more. And it also comes with a shaker bottle and a black sleek water bottle that definitely fits my aesthetic. I love it. This is my workout for today. I was energized. I was just pumping throughout the whole workout. One thing I wanted to mention is with your Gainful subscription, you get access to a free one-on-one session with a registered dietitian, which is amazing. I know dietitians are like super expensive, so that's like a really great opportunity right there. If you're interested in trying these lovely products, make sure you press the link in my description to save 40% off your first month's subscription. I'm in such a good mood today. I don't know why. I'm about to make some Philly style beef melts. I think that's what it's called, because the girl is hungry.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. There's no one else knows what to do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I won't please you in any way I can. I won't share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a million.
Hey, go babe. I gave my boyfriend the pretty plate, but here's my lunch. And it's so good. I already tasted the meat. So good. Missy, hello. Are you editing? What are you doing? You're gonna fall. What are you doing? So I'm over here in my room chilling with my bestie. Say hi. Say hi, bestie. See, she's saying hi. Period. Anyways, I'm over here. I'm trying to edit this vlog, actually, and this is what's happening. I have no more storage. Like, I don't know what's going on. So I gotta figure that out. I'm about to go to the mall. I need to go to Abercrombie. I got jeans from there. Honestly, I got 3 jeans, all in the same size. One fits, one's too big, and one's too small. Like, what? So I guess I gotta go there and return 2 pairs of jeans. Well, one is like leather pants, the other one is jeans. And I need to go to Best Buy. I need a new external hard drive so I could edit this video. Like, I don't know what's going on. And I really like how my hair turned out. Like, I really like it. This is like, I just don't know how I'm gonna maintain these baby hairs, because once they go away, it's gonna be a struggle. Yo, every time I get my hair done, I can never redo the baby hairs, and it's so sad. It's so sad. Like, I don't know why I'm not skilled at doing baby hairs, but I'm not, and I just don't get it at all. I woke up today looking at my body in the mirror, and I'm like, oh my god, I feel like I see a difference. Like, okay. Like, okay. Progress. This is what keeps me going. This is what keeps me motivated, okay? I wish I had like a side-by-side comparison, but usually I hate the way I look in shorts. These shorts are very short. But I'm home. I'm about to go to the mall real quick to do those returns and maybe see if I see anything I like. That's what I'm wearing, just like a big cardigan. This is from, I want to say like TJ Maxx years ago, and I got this little like crop top sports bra thing from Old Navy. Black leggings, I think these are Old Navy too, and just white Crocs. I was gonna like dress up and look really cute today, but I'm like, I don't feel like it, and I gotta hurry up and go. How it was just snowing yesterday, but it's like summertime today. This weather is weird. I'm literally outside in a cardigan. It was full-blown snowing. Like, how are we not supposed to get sick in this weather? I don't get it. Honestly though, guys, I feel like everybody's bitching about daylight savings, but I'm happy as hell about it. It is light at this time now. It's like 5 o'clock right now. Light, beautiful, I love it. I feel like everybody's about to be in such better spirits because, you know, when it gets dark early, I feel like that's when like the depression hits. Like, it's just like, it's cold, it's dark, like, what? The sun's out now, it's a little warm, like, it's about to be lit. Okay, Pop, it's not time for you to play, hold on. But yeah, I'm so happy. I just wanted to say that. This is cute. They don't have my size though. This is cute. I like this. I'm here. This fitting room is so nice. Look at this. What? You changed the lighting? Let's change it to... Okay. So cool. We're gonna do standard. Oh, we're gonna bring it all the way up. You can put the music down. This is crazy. I'm gonna try these on. Those are just a plain blue shirt and the jeans. The jeans are not giving. I don't really like how the ankle is. I'm not in love. No. Next. I feel like with the right jeans, this shirt would be really cute, but this is not the right jeans. Really big. I feel like I came too late. Everything is like closing already. Next time I got some stuff from H&M though. Got home. It's getting dark out now. No. I tried on some things. I showed you guys. If you guys see me with like the orange hat, that was actually like 2 days ago. I went to Abercrombie and I tried some stuff on and I like recorded some of it. So I added that in. So got some stuff at H&M. So I'm about to go inside and I'm gonna try them on. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I did end up getting this top. I feel like it was really cute. Like checker print. I feel like it was really in. I don't know if I would wear it tucked in or just like one button like split open. I don't know. But second, I got these jeans and I'm like really obsessed with them. I feel like they're really cute. These are the Abercrombie Dad Jeans. They're in a size 20 short and I love that you could pick short because I'm short. So jeans are always like dragging on me. But these are like the perfect heights. I don't know if you can see. I really like them. They have like this rip at the knee and they have like this dressing along the pants. Here's the back. Let me back it up. Hey. Hey. Let's talk about this. They don't have any big sizes in the store. Like the biggest size they go up to in the store is like 14. I was able to find sizes in clearance, probably from people returning like their pants. Like what's going on, Abercrombie? Like they're size inclusive, but not in the store. Like, bring it to the store. Like, what's going on? I ended up getting this bodysuit. It was on sale. It's just a basic blue bodysuit. So here's the bodysuit. It's literally just like a plain bodysuit. Honestly, I feel like I could have sized down with it, which is crazy. But I like it. It's cute. It's literally just basic blue, ribbed, super comfy. I could still get away with wearing it in the spring, so I'm excited about that. But yeah, it's literally just a basic. And then I got these jeans at H&M, but they don't fit, like not even a little bit. Like they couldn't get past my thighs. They're size 18. And they're really cute. But I really wanted these to fit. Like I really did, but they don't. And they were, how much were they? They were $50, so they're going back. Now these are cute though. I really wanted these to fit. Like, the last thing I got is this sweater from H&M. This was $13. It's like one of their like cute little basic crop top sweaters. Here's the sweater. I love it. It's super duper lightweight, like super lightweight. So for the spring, it's going to be perfect for nighttime. They even look cute with the jeans. And I feel like these jeans are doing what they need to do for my waists. I'm not mad at it. Yeah guys, that's the end of my vlog. Let me know if you enjoyed it. Let me know if you like this kind of style. I wanted to do something a little different. I feel like I don't usually do this type of style of vlog, so I did it. Was it boring? Was it interesting? Did you like it? Do you want more? Let me know so I can know what to give to y'all. But yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Nah, but it's giving.